I know this may be coming to you probably in a way you may not understand, but I think I still have to share it with you because it has helped me a lot and it will help you. It's actually a habit you need to build. I've seen people walk up to me and say, "Tim, I see you pray every now and then. What's the magic there? What exactly are you talking about?" And all of that. Yes, I pray always. But again, while this looks like more like a prayer, it's also a natural routine I've decided to explore since I learned about it. And the essence is basically to build my confidence after experiencing a horrible past with my business. Because after everything happened, after all the failures recorded, it shattered my confidence and life became very tough. And you know the worst part of it is once you have a confidence shattered, rebuilding it becomes really difficult. So when I began to research on how I was going to come back, one of the foremost things that was running through my head was, how can you face the public? How can you build that confidence people had in you again? Then I discovered a very simple habit. What is this habit? Every morning, because I don't have mirror in my bedroom, and for those who have mirror, you can use your mirror. Every morning I open the window beside my bed, which gives me the opportunity to see the world outside me. And in front of that window, I begin to talk to myself, and I do so for at least 10 minutes. And in the course of doing that, I put up some postures that allows me to feel very confident in myself. And I raise my shoulders while talking to myself for the 10 minutes. I also roll my eyes. You may not be able to catch my eyes directly looking at you. I think sometimes some people assume that I'm even sleeping or my eyes are closed while talking to them. That is my nature. But here's the point I'm trying to make. In building confidence, again, you must learn this very habit of waking up in the morning and speaking to yourself for at least 10 minutes. Talking to yourself. In the course of it, declare your goals, affirm your identity, because only you know your own identity before others. So declare your goals, affirm your identity, and this will go a long way to bring you the needed confidence. As for me, this habit helped in rebuilding my voice that I'm using to communicate with you today. It restored my confidence and it strengthened the courage I have to be able to speak to you today. So here's what I want you to do. In the next 7 days, please, I want you to try this. You can either stand in front of your mirror while you look at yourself and talk to yourself directly, or you can stand beside your window in the house where you see people walking, and then you begin to talk, you begin to declare those things, you begin to say those things to identify your own image, your own voice, your personality, and finally do this for 7 days. So you know that you were never doomed in life. You only need to unlearn and relearn some things, some habits, so you can make progress in life. Try it for 7 days and tell me the result. This habit will rebuild your voice, will restore your confidence, and will go extra length to strengthen your courage. And I need you to try this for the next 7 days and give me a feedback, because the truth is, even when you go through that loss of confidence, bear in mind that you were never doomed. You only need to learn and relearn some habits in your life to be able to make progress. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.